Unlocking politeness. Using, would it be possible, for permission. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's lesson, we're going to explore a very important, yet often overlooked area of English language learning. We will focus on using, would it be possible, to ask for permission in a polite and formal way. Remember, mastering these small expressions can help you sound more like a native speaker and improve your communication skills drastically. Would it be possible is a modal phrase used to ask for permission. It's more polite and formal than simply saying, "Can I?" or "May I?" Using, would it be possible, can be particularly useful in professional or formal settings. Let's look at a couple of examples. 1. Would it be possible to leave work early today? 2. Would it be possible for you to lend me this book? In these sentences, you're not just directly asking for something. Instead, you're also showing respect towards the other person by acknowledging their ability to deny your request. Just as language is flexible, the phrase, would it be possible, can also be varied slightly while maintaining its polite essence. For example, you can use it with, for me, for you, for us, etc., depending on the situation. Here are some examples. 1. Would it be possible for me to use your phone? 2. Would it be possible for you to help us with this project? Moreover, you can also use this phrase in a negative form to politely refuse a request. 1. I'm sorry, but it wouldn't be possible for me to complete this task by tomorrow. How do we respond to a request made with, would it be possible? It's fairly simple. You can respond positively with, yes, it would be possible. Or negatively with, no, I'm afraid that wouldn't be possible. Remember, in English, it's always polite to provide a reason if you're refusing a request. Here's an example. Request, would it be possible for you to help me move this weekend? Response, I'm sorry, but that wouldn't be possible. I have a family event this weekend. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use the phrase, would it be possible, to ask for permission in a polite and formal way. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about respect and culture. Mastering these small phrases can help you communicate more effectively in various situations. I hope you find this lesson useful, and as always, happy learning!